Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be playing with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, which I got for Christmas. I was feeling super inspired by all the amazing colours and decided to just wing it a bit, and this is the look that I came up with. So if you want to see how I went from the left to the right, then just keep on watching. I'm first starting out with the Simple Kind Skin Moisturiser, just as my face was feeling super dry and I wanted to make sure my foundation would blend into my skin seamlessly. Speaking of foundation, I'm using an oldie but a goodie, the L'Oreal True Match foundation in W4. I'm matching my foundation to my neck, which is fake tanned, hence why this is a lot darker than my face. For concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me, another old fave of mine, and just applying that to all the places I usually highlight. I'm setting the concealer down with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder, which I am finally trying out. To set the rest of my face, I'm taking the Australis Fresh and Flawless Powder, which is an amazing powder for those of you who have drier skin like me, as it isn't too matte. To contour, I'm taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and the two lighter contour shades mixed together. I'm putting that on my cheekbones and all around the perimeter of my face just to warm up and define the face. For blush, I'm taking the Makeup Geek Blush in Romance on the apples of the cheeks and up to the cheekbones. And for highlight, I'm going in with the ABH Nicole Guerrero highlight palette with the shade Glow Getter. I'm quickly filling in my brows using the lighter shade of the ABH brow powder in Soft Brown and setting that down with the Essence Brow Gel. Now for the main event, the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm first going in with Eden, which is a soft peach shade, and taking that all up in the crease and pretty far up to the brow bone. I want this look to be pretty smoked out, so I'm taking the crease shade up pretty far to the brow. Next, I'm taking Blazing, which is a brighter orange, and doing the same thing, but placing it slightly lower than the previous shade. And after a quick dance break, I'm going back in with Eden to make sure it's blended out seamlessly. I'm then going in with Saffron, which is a muted red shade, and using a slightly smaller brush, I'm packing it on in the outer corner and blending it out with Blazing. Next, I'm taking Oud, which is a deep brown, and placing that right in the outer corner for some more dimension. And to make sure the look was still nice and bright, I went back in with Eden and Blazing to further blend everything out and add a bit more of that orange colour back in. I then stamped a bit more of Oud on to ensure that the brown was still nice and bold. Before I put my shimmery shade on the lid, I just applied some concealer to act as a base for the colour and to make sure that it would stand out nice and vibrantly. For my lid shade, I took Angelic, which is a pinky orange duochrome, and applied it all over the lid. I then went back in with Blazing to make sure it was blended out seamlessly. To line my lids, I took the SPM Black Gel Liner on an angled brush and did a thin line over the lash line. I then smudged out the outer edge with some more of the Oud shade. I applied a thin coat of mascara and popped on my favourite lashes from Model Rock, which are a bit dirty as I've used them before, so please excuse that. And then I started working on the lower lash line. On a pencil brush, I went in with Eden and Blazing all along the lower lash line. And with a smaller brush, I took Oud right into the lash line. I also took Oud all the way across the lash line into the inner corner to make the lower lash line super smoky and sultry. To blend it all out, I took Eden on a fluffy blending brush and really diffused the shades out. After applying a bit more mascara, I went in with Twilight, which is a super purpley blue duochrome, and added that to the inner corner for a pop of colour. I think this really pulls the look together in a little bit more of a unique way than your usual inner corner highlight. I highlighted the brow bone with the same colour that we used on the face, and that's the eyes finished. For the lips, I went in with the ABH lip gloss in Undressed, which was so pigmented you don't even need a lip liner or a lipstick underneath. Definitely has to be one of my favourite lip gloss formulas. And to set all the makeup down and keep it in place all day and night, I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. Thank you so much as always for watching. I hope you liked this twist on your usual warm smoky eye, and if you do recreate it, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your guys' recreation. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys!